Hello, Pinky. I'm sorry. We just had a sudden power interruption. That's why I
Yeah.
was out. But it's all right because I am using my backup now. Okay, so let's continue. And we will end at exactly 3:50 your time. All right. And no, not 3:50. 3:52 to extend for 2 minutes. All right, Pinky?
Uh,
Okay, so let's continue. We have here our lives.
mm, it is suitable for Stephen.
Stefan. This is the perfect book if you're interested in how people live in different parts. That's right, because he's interested in different cultures. Very good. Varieties of the countries. Okay, great. Now, which so we have here letter H. Okay, so which person here doesn't have an answer yet? So we have Pretty. So Pretty loves doing all kinds of sport. She'd like to learn as much as possible about top sport people from all over the world and how they've managed to achieve their goals. So which book can you give to Pinky to Pretty?
Book A.
Letter A. Let me. Actually, I am confused. Like if it's really A or letter C because they're quiet. Let me think. Action Plan is all about famous athletes and there are some amazing photos them competing. There are also lots of interviews about what they've done to succeed in their careers. You'll find out about things like the food they eat, the numbers of hours they train, and what they do to prepare for important competitions. And A, this book is full of practical advice for anyone who wants to be fit and healthy. Famous sports people have contributed. Okay, so Pretty love doing all kinds of sports. Ah, so it is letter C, action plan. Because in here, yes, even though the famous sports people is mentioned in this one, and so with Pretty, but in action plan, many athletes in here had an interview about what they've done to succeed in their careers. And that is what Pretty is looking for. Like, look, he wants to learn as much as possible about athletes, okay, sports people who managed to achieve their goals. So this is letter C. So for this one, you got 2 points out of 5. That's all right, Pinky, because this is just our first time learning this book. Okay, now in here, let's move on with part 3. So you're going to read about reporter Mark. Okay, because he writes about Vicky Harmeston, who has had a successful career as a track cyclist. Okay, so a cyclist who races on special race tracks. Are you familiar with that, Pinky?
Yes.
Okay, by the way, I think this is kind of long. So I think we won't have enough time to finish the whole article. So I will just ask you, do you have any question about the part 2?
Mm,
No question. So what do you think of this one? Do you like learning this book or do you prefer the old one?
Uh, any book is okay, but I think I should learn this book because it is more difficult and it's like study for the IELTS more than the old book.
That is right. Yes. Yeah, actually that is also my thoughts. Like even though that this book is kind of long, but this will let you practice on how to take an exam. It will develop your strategies in taking an exam. And this also has 4 parts like speaking, listening, reading, and writing. So this is just the beginning of the reading practice test. This is still similar to PET. Yeah, so we'll continue with this one, Pinky. So, Pinky, next week we will start with part three. All right. So, thank you so much for joining our session today, Pinky. I hope that you learned something and have a great weekend. Then see you next week. Bye bye, Pinky.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.